Hi guys, my name is Jen and this is my channel Embracing Chaos. If you're new here, welcome, and if you are a returning friend, welcome back. I'm so happy to have every single one of you here today. Today, as I'm sure you may have already been able to figure out according to the title of this video, we are here for day 16 of Vlogtober. Day 16, guys, I say this every day, but I'm still just as excited as I was when we started. For those of you who are new here, a little bit about what I am doing for the month of October, or Vlogtober. I have teamed up with Suzy from Suzy's Health Journey. I will be sure to link her YouTube channel and her Facebook channel down below, so please make sure you go check them out. And we have decided to do a new challenge for each week of the month of October in honor of Vlogtober. So the first week we shared our favorite motivational quote or inspirational quote each day. For the second week, we had a challenge of drinking 64 ounces of water each day. And this week, our challenge is to share a 0 to 4 point snack. So, that being said, my friends, let me show you what I found for my snack for today. And then I'm going to tell you a couple of options for it as well, because I know not everybody likes to eat it the way I did today. My snack for today was this packet of sun-kissed chunk white tuna in water. I like to eat this directly out of the package and by itself, but I know that's not everybody's cup of tea. So a couple things you can do with this. You can add some fat-free mayo and kind of make like a tuna salad. I like to add, I brought this in to show you. This is dill pickle mustard, and this is just from Walmart. I like to add a little bit of this sometimes and dip it in some crackers, but of course you would have to add the points for the crackers. Or if you decide to add the mayonnaise or even the mustard to it, you can also dip vegetables in it. Like I love tuna salad, which is basically what this mixed with any type of sauce would be. I love tuna salad with red peppers or the orange bell peppers. It is so good. So that is my snack idea for today. Let me know down below in the comments, how do you guys like to eat your tuna? Do you add stuff to it, or you like me and enjoy eating it plain too? And so that I'm not coming on here and just saying, hi, here's my snack, see you tomorrow, I did find some more snack facts for us today. I have my laptop right here, so when you see me looking down, that's what I'm doing. This is from blog.mercy.com. I will link it down in the description. And I'm going to share with you from this site 3 benefits of snacking. Sorry, friends. All right. Benefit number 1 of snacking. Snacking boosts brain power. Whether you need some extra help concentrating at work or you want to feel alert during the afternoon, snacking can help fuel your body and your brain. Choose focus-boosting foods like avocados, blueberries, and dark chocolate, which can all help you remain alert and engaged in the task at hand. I like that. I like the chocolate. Can I say I eat chocolate? You know what? There's a lot of health benefits to dark chocolate regardless, but that's a new one, but I would accept any benefit of chocolate just so that I can continue to eat it. I'm eating my chocolate for health reasons, guys. Health reasons! It's necessary. See? Chaos Jen's got you covered. Eat that chocolate, guys. Within moderation. Within moderation. Because you know if you eat it, you gotta track it. Fair's fair. Number 2, the website says it beats cravings. Did you know that snacking has the potential to help you lose weight? When you snack during the day, it prevents you from getting ravenously hungry. You're more likely to grab a healthier snack than whatever sugary treat is closest. You're also less likely to overeat at your main meals, which saves calories. Having a mid-morning and mid-afternoon snack can also amp up your metabolism. Look at this, guys. This is great. When you're eating every few hours, your body is regularly processing food. This keeps your metabolism busy, burning calories all day. Snacking can also even out your blood sugar levels so you don't experience the spikes of insulin that can lead to weight gain. So, and I'm sure, I mean, you guys have heard it too, eating small meals throughout the day is better for weight loss and maintaining health than eating 3 great big huge meals per day. I have heard that before. So here they're saying the snacks in between the meals are benefiting as long as they are healthy snacks. Moderation, healthy snacks. Track them, ladies. Track them. And gentlemen too. Ladies and gentlemen. Sorry. Never assume. All right. Snacking can lower your risk of some diseases. What? Why did I even do that? I don't even know, but I'm going to leave it in there so y'all can see how crazy I am, just in case you didn't know. Snacking on healthy bites during the day might even decrease your risk of developing heart disease and diabetes. It evens out your blood sugar, and it may also help lower your cholesterol. Healthy snack options, I'm sure, right? Research has shown that people who eat small snacks throughout the day typically have lower blood cholesterol levels than people who don't snack. If you're working on improving your overall health, snacking can help. I like that. And then it has a tip on how to snack. I'll just read this here really quick because I'm curious. As you get started, remember a few key tips. You'll want to keep your snacks pretty small, around 150 to 200 calories per mini meal. Is a mini meal a snack? I'm assuming. Also, be sure you're eating every 3 to 5 hours. Go for a snack between breakfast and lunch and one between lunch and dinner. If you start feeling hungry a couple hours before bed, you might choose to have a snack too. Lastly, have a glass of water with each snack to keep yourself feeling full. And we talked about that last week in our water challenge, didn't we, guys? Water helps you feel full and therefore less hungry. We're learning. We are getting ourselves educated. Okay, I gotta close this before I just keep talking. Okay, so there you go, guys. My snack for the day is tuna. I would love you guys to let me know down in the comments here or over at Suzy's Facebook page how you like to eat your tuna. If you haven't already, if you give this video a thumbs up, I would truly appreciate it. It helps to communicate to YouTube that you guys are enjoying my content and encourages them to promote my videos so we can continue to grow our YouTube family. Guys, I have my 800 subscriber giveaway linked below, and today we hit 850. I'm going to give it a few days because you know YouTube is doing that crazy up and down thing just to make sure that we stay at or above 850. And then we will be doing our 850 subscriber giveaway. So for the 800 subscriber, you still have one more week to join in. So feel free to check that out down below. I would love the opportunity to share this giveaway with you. If you're not a member of my YouTube family, which is what I was originally saying, please consider hitting that subscribe button. I would love the opportunity to get to know you better. Again, I hope you all are having a fantastic Saturday. And until tomorrow, keep making those healthy snack choices and keep on smiling. Bye, guys.